Hello Minecraft Math Superstars. Today we're going to be going over how to find equivalent fractions by multiplying by the Great One, or I like to call it the Which One. So without further ado, let me show you how to change your uniform and how to build these awesome math models which are going to be obstacles in our Capture the Flag game. Let's go talk to the NPC. Now your teacher might write down 3 of these equations on the board for you, but I'm going to show you how to do 3/4 times 4/4. Now, as you probably already know, a fraction could also be a division problem. So let's take a look at 4/4. What's 4 divided by 4? Why, that's 1. Let's look at our second problem. 4/7 times 2 over 2. And what's 2 divided by 2? Why, that's 1. And the third problem, 8/10 times 3/3. Once again, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that's kind of why I like to call the Great One Which One, because there's lots of different kinds of ones, and you can make a 1 out of any number. Just 7 divided by 7, 156 divided by 156. Any number divided by itself is 1. So I could actually look at this 3/4 times 4/4 and say it's the same thing as 3/4 times 1. So without further ado, let's enter the world and build our math models. But first, we gotta switch our uniform. So we have a gold uniform and a purple uniform. Have your class choose the uniforms for the gold and purple teams. To do that, you just hit the coat hanger down here, and we'll use the firefighter for the yellow team or the gold team. And look, now I'm a firefighter. Okay, so I'm going to enter the world by just simply walking over this tripwire, and look, I'm on the gold side of the map. First thing I'm going to do is build my 3/4. I'm going to put down 1 glass and 3 solid blocks. And take a look. There's 3 solid blocks, that's our numerator, and 4 blocks in all, that's our denominator. And now we are going to multiply this by 4. So we just simply put down how many we're going to multiply it by. So there's 4. And we're going to just kind of build that 3/4 4 times next to each other. And voila, here we go. 3 times 4 is 12, and there's 12 solid blocks. And 4 times 4 is 16, and there's 16 blocks in all. So this math model is 12/16. But if I look at it this way, what do I see? What do I see, everybody? I see 3/4. So that's how you build the first math model. Now, hit E, grab your signs, and you're going to need to label it. So I'm going to write 3/4 times 4/4 equals 12/16. And then I'm also going to write 3/4 times 1 equals 3/4. And now you can see how 12/16 is equal to 3/4. So after you got your sign, take a photo and put it in your portfolio and label this 3/4 times 4/4 equals 12/16.